in charge of keeping track of inventory, it can feel a bit like a game of hide and seek. You need to check out that laptop to Victor in accounting, but soon find out that Emily in marketing hasn't checked it in. That new generator, it's out in the warehouse, right? Wrong. It's still on Brad's truck. Oh, and that vital piece of equipment that you need for situations like this, it turns out it's... Stop the searching and take control with AssetCloud from Wasp Barcode. AssetCloud is an easy-to-use software that lets you tag and track any asset, anywhere, anytime, saving you time, saving you money, and saving you from those error-prone and tedious spreadsheets. Just point and shoot to easily audit your assets. This way you can properly identify, account for, and report on all of your assets in one place with just a few clicks. Now you can track those assets throughout their entire life cycle. You'll always know where everything is. Total visibility. It feels so, With effortless implementation and kick asset support all along the way, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. No more hidden assets because, ready or not, here comes AssetCloud. Sign up for a free trial today.